Hi guys. Hey, I wanted to do the third and final video on my Academy Models B-17C D model kit, which I did it as the C, the pictured model. And I just got this thing done. And guys, I'm usually not one to get real excited about model kits and stuff that I built, but this thing, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It's a lot of work and whatnot in it, but I mean, man, it turned out better than I expected it would. Got the bombs up in the bomb bay. The well, later in life it would be the ball turret gunner, but the guy basically kneeled down in a bathtub kind of thing and shot two twin 50s. There was no tail gunner at the time on this airplane. Later they redesigned the tail of the B-17, to incorporate the tail gunner, and it had the bigger vertical fin, vertical stabilizer. Then got the waist gunners. It's got a 50 caliber in each one of those. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Also on the early B-17s, where the back door would normally be on a B-17 back there, it was right there, right at the trailing edge of the wing. But yeah, this thing with the antennas, all the antennas on it, they were a pain in the butt to glue in. I'm really happy with it. Turned out pretty decent. So the decals, they didn't, at times they didn't really want to stick, but a little more decal set and it worked out good. The props, for some reason, the two on the co-pilot side somehow kind of got glued, and I was trying not to. The two on the pilot side, they rotate, but oh well. When I hang it up, I'll just put them all, with them down like the Y anyway, which usually how they were when they're sitting on the ground stored. Yeah, just like I said, I got it all done, and pretty happy with it. So just wanted to show you guys, and we'll see what the next build ends up being. Not real sure. Probably won't be a B-17. I got a police car I got to finish up. I got an A-10 that's really kind of screaming at me to build, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. But anyway, something else with the top of the B-17. On the earlier ones, it had a bubble up there where the top turret is, but there were no windows above the pilot and the co-pilot like on the later models. Plus, there were 3 windows in the side instead of the 2. They got rid of that back window on the newer models. But anyway, guys, just wanted to show you this, and like I said, I'm not positive what I'll build in the next one, but it'll be something fun. I forgot how much fun building model kits can be. It's a pretty relaxing, fun kind of way to do things. So anyway, guys, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome, and please subscribe, like, comment, and you guys out there all take care. Thanks for watching.